pack my beauty bag with me. I already have some of the essentials a lot of those made. Mascara, lip gloss, and I normally use this. It's Cuticle Helper. And I also have two mascaras just in case I miss one. So one main thing I always bring with me. I always bring a type of lipstick. But I'm going Vulcan. This is only red. And generally, finally, I read. This is not my color. Actually, it's kind of cute. But who wears red lipstick to school? We can easily tell you when no one wants that. So please something else instead of that. I'm cooked. It's more pink than I thought. Thank God for clean and clean. It is the best. Thank you for you. You think about this more than you